The Washington County had asked for a little assistance and a little judgment from the disaster team. So we sent the disaster team from this region up there. They reported to the city council last night what their priorities, what they would suggest their priorities to be. And number one was the removal of the snow. And removal of the snow from the roadways and from for the public safety and health. Declaring this disaster will allow the county to move forward, but it will also allow the state, at the county's request, to assist with equipment and personnel, whatever resources that we have that can help them remove that snow. We have found a place to remove the snow too, and that's usually very difficult. And fortunately, we found a place downriver. So instead of hauling the snow upriver and then at melt, we're worried about a flood, because we also have about 10 miles of ice jam on the Weezer River, which is causing flooding and will cause additional flooding.
I know most people in Midvale have shoveled their homes at least twice, sometimes three. Mine's been 3 times so far. So when this happens, people just need to recognize they need to get out there and shovel their roofs, especially all those flat roofs. A lot of the schools have flat roofs, the hospital with a flat roof. Our folks just need to be a little more prepared and have at least a week's worth of provisions in their home, if not more. We come from the upper country, and so we have no stores or much of anything up there, so we always do that. But people in Weezer are used to going to the store every day, and now we have a grocery store.
We have Jim, now Washington, Payette, Canyon, Cassia, Custer because of the Big Wood River and the ice jam on the Big Wood River and the potential flooding. And then we had an avalanche that went into the river, cut the river off.